How to share screen on Facebook Messenger. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to share your screen on Facebook Messenger call. First thing you have to do is simply go ahead and open up Facebook Messenger app and go to the chat where you want to share your screen. So let's say if I just tap on this chat, you are going to have to start a video call. So go ahead and tap on the video call icon at the top and start the call. And once they accept your call, your screen should look something like this. At the bottom, you'll find different options. You can just swipe up on your screen or just tap on the icon that's right besides the mute button. And what you'll do is get this pop-up to share your screen. Now just tap on start sharing. Then another pop-up will appear. You're just going to have to tap on start now. And you have now successfully started sharing your screen on Messenger. Now you can minimize the call or go back to your screen. And as you can see here, the screen sharing is turned on. Even if I go to my home screen, the screen sharing is still turned on. That's how you basically share your screen on Facebook Messenger. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.